What if I told you the calmest couple on Love and Hip Hop just detonated the biggest scandal of the season, and it all started with a late-night phone call, a smirking ex, and a clip so messy it left even the producers shook. Y'all, grab your popcorn, because this ain't your average reunion drama. This is full-on relationship warfare with receipts, rumors, and reality TV cameras rolling at full speed. Did Mendeecees really call Erica Mena in the middle of the night just to clear the air? Or was something more steamy going on behind the scenes? And why is Yandy out here confronting her man on national television while Erica sits back, like she just won the Petty Olympics? Is this revenge, manipulation,